feel like if you gave this shit to like Gordon Ramsay or something, he would just be like, he'd just love it.
He'd lose his shit,
Yeah.
He'd come.
It's that's what I would love to say.
I bet he's a screamer.
Just like fucking. Yo, I'm Rich Brian.
I'm Joji.
And we're celebrating the 80th Rising Head in the Clouds album and tour by cooking for our friends at our end of summer party house.
The thing is though, I don't think we really know how to cook.
Welcome to the Feast Mansion.
Welcome to the Feast Mansion.
Welcome to the Feast Mansion.
Welcome to the Feast Mansion. What's up? This is Joji.
This is Brian, Rich Brian.
And you're watching the best fucking cooking show
in the world. So today we're gonna be making instant noodles for the party, and
you're gonna have a lot of instant noodles on the tour.
The 88 Degrees and Rising tour.
I have no idea what the fuck that is. Make some noise.
Yes.
That one?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna be having a lot of noodles on that tour for sure.
Who do you think's the best ramen noodle man?
I think I am personally. Like, not to shit on you, but like.
You kind of did.
I mean, like, don't take it that way.
I kind of did. No, I'm kidding. Go on. For now.
Are we good? Like, are we gonna have this problem like for the rest of the video?
I'll put up with it for this one, but.
All right, whatever.
What's up?
So, we got the Indomie, and you have the Ichiban.
I guess the key to this is we have to customize our noodle game as strong as possible into our own style.
What are you gonna do with it?
I don't know, man. You got that Indomie. I'm getting pretty nervous about that, but, bruh. Don't worry. I got a special ingredient.
What the fuck is that?
Don't worry about it, bro. Don't worry about it.
I'm kind of worried now.
Don't worry about it. Yay! Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba.
What is this, lamb? What is that?
It's John.
Dude, what is that?
Don't worry about it.
What the fuck is that?
Bro, it's Timmy.
Can you like stop saying names? It's freaking me out.
What do you think? What do you think it is?
I have no idea. I literally don't know. Can I smell it?
Yeah.
It smells like chicken, but it's definitely not chicken.
Dogs chase them. People do eat them.
Like normal people?
Pretty normal people.
Okay.
I mean, Asians eat them. And I feel like the only white people that would eat this shit are like people from the woods. Yeah.
Not raccoons. Oh, no. Rabbits!
Yeah, rabbits.
Ah!
Do white people eat raccoons? Do they eat possums? I know. Possum's not horrible.
All right, so you pulled out this fucking rabbit. So, you know, you're going pretty crazy, so I'm gonna let you go first.
Okay, cool.
I'm really curious to see what you're doing with this thing.
I think the right way to start is we wanna put in the meat first.
What meat is that?
This is also rabbit too. There's a whole lot of rabbit.
Is that like his friend?
Yeah. We're making the broth basically.
Right.
I think that's. Oh! No, that was not. No, I think.
Dude, this is the most fucked up cooking show ever.
It is. We're gonna open the.
Are you just gonna casually hold that?
What are you talking about?
Open the noodle.
Can you help me open this, Brian?
Yeah.
Thank you. So we want to wait a little bit, start mixing it.
Yeah.
We were given some ladles and shit, so if you want to grab a hold of that, you can grab one of these too, perhaps. Okay. I'm very aware that we're not supposed to use ladles and shit for this. I just can't find anything. So before anyone wants to give me shit in the comments, what?
Are you gonna put the rabbit down?
Well, I mean, like, there's nowhere to put it. It's
like a big space right there, I'm pretty sure.
Bro, just let me hang on to it. No, I'll put it down because it's starting to get disrespectful. So, okay.
So are you
fucking with this? Okay, wait, hold on.
Like, there's no seasoning yet.
Okay, now hold on. Hold on, young man. Hold on. I think we can still just use one. Okay. I think it'll just do the job for all of them.
Yeah.
So, bop, boom, zop, zippity, doo, dot, bap.
Okay.
And if you don't mind mixing it in while I grab some shit.
I'm down.
Just straight up, just like
Oh yeah,
putting
I love
the
that.
egg in there, right?
I love that too.
That's probably the move.
Do you want to make sure the egg yolk doesn't break?
Nah,
or?
crush it up.
All right.
Crush it up, yeah. Oh shit, this is a competition.
I mean, I'm fine with that. I know it's gonna be
Fuck outta here.
trash, so.
Step off, bro. I forgot this was a competition. I can't have you learning my secrets and shit. So yeah, just mix the egg up. And then...
Are you like pretty confident in this one? Or you think it's gonna be good?
That's the thing. You're never gonna be able to tell if I actually know what I'm doing or not. That's the game.
Oh, that looks kind of beautiful, actually.
Yeah.
You like didn't even have to mix it up.
Bam. Dude, I admit it. That was
actually
really
really
cool.
good.
That was really
Yeah.
cool. Right on the spot.
Dude.
Yeah. Yeah. Fuck it. We're throwing another egg.
What is that?
Someone just said that it was called Naruto, but
We're eating Naruto meat right now.
it's made out of either fish skin or fish powder. Bam. These are fish eggs.
Is that Nemo?
And I don't know. I'm not a fan of this personally,
Right.
but like this is what people like.
That's it?
That's it.
What do you call it?
I call it ramen. And now, you know, we're gonna see if the student was able to learn from the master.
Who's the master?
I think I'm the master in this scenario.
All right, so you cooked your dish called the ramen, and then I'm gonna cook mine. I'm using mee goreng, which is kind of like a fried thing. So what I'm gonna do right now is kind of like put my own little spin on it.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm kind of like deciding as I go.
What kind of peppers are those?
They're Thai birds.
Okay.
Yeah, so I like to just kind of cut it up like that.
Watching you cut it up is a lot more soothing. I forgot that you actually cook.
There's some onions in here. To chop them up just like a little bit more. When you're cutting these up, you unlock the flavors.
True.
This comes out.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm talking about. I just wanted to sound professional, but
No, I get it.
yeah. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna put it in the oil. So
Oh, okay. Oh, he already knows what he's doing. It's like looking at that.
it's like foaming up a
Oh.
little bit. Just like smell that shit. Just make sure it smells good.
Oh, it
And
smells good.
you know, I'm gonna put some shrimp in.
Do you want rabbit for this?
No, I'm good. I
sure?
think I'm just gonna stay with shrimp for now.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the shrimp in there. I just kind of like wanna move it around, make
Oh,
it
man,
like.
you got that stir fry advantage. Okay.
So I'm gonna put the noodles in.
Ooh. Oh.
So Indomie, it started from Indonesia, but it's kind of like popular like everywhere. I feel like if you give this shit to like Gordon Ramsay or something, he would just be like, he'd just love it.
He'd lose his shit. Yeah.
Yeah,
He'd come.
It's that's what I would love to say.
I bet he's a screamer.
Just like fucking. It's like during sex, he's just like, it's wrong.
It's wrong.
These are the Indomie packets that came with it. This is what makes it like Indomie, you know what I'm saying?
What are the three contents?
So this is like, it's like some onion shit with like oil, and then this is sweet soy sauce, and this is chili sauce. And I'm fucking telling you, Joji, when you eat this, you're gonna shit your fucking pants.
I already know I'm gonna shit my pants.
A lot of people are coming to this party, and I don't want to disappoint them.
True.
So I'm actually gonna put 2 eggs on it,
Yeah.
because people need protein.
You put anything else in?
Some jalapenos. That's it. I'm done. All right, so I made my noodles, and
So did I. We've conceived 2 great bodies of work.
now we're about to try both of it and decide which one is the official tour noodles. Try this part. I feel like this is like the good part right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, so good.
It's good?
That's very good. Okay, I taste the peppers. That's nice. See, it's a nice little kick.
Yeah. Woo!
That's nice. I like it.
But
I was trying to do a
are
quick
you
thing.
enjoying yourself, Joji?
It's really good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, I want to try yours now. Dude, what the fuck? This is actually like so much better than mine.
Nah, it's all right.
Dude, this is so good. What are you talking about?
Are you being sarcastic?
No, I'm actually being serious. What do you put in this again? You put one seasoning packet, right?
The rest of it's the egg.
What?
And the rabbit, because we put it in early.
We did. Sean put his faith in us. You know, we delivered. I made the noodles, you made yours.
Which one's gonna be the official one?
Honestly, I'm going for that shit. It's really good.
Really?
If I'm going on tour for like 2 months, I want to have that. You know?
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like this would just spill all over the place, though. I'd want to go with that.
I mean, that's
TBH.
true because we're going by a bus. You're right.
And also, you can save this stuff in the fridge.
That's true.
This will just like look like this in the fridge. All right, so yeah, we might have to go with the
Yeah. Indomie.
The Indomie.
Damn.
All right.
All right, that's settled. So the Indomie is the official tour noodles. August 08, Nikki, Hire Brothers, Keith Ape. You guys didn't come here and you guys didn't get to decide, but this is what you're gonna be eating for the rest of the tour.
Yeah.
So,
Kidney stones.
kidney stones.
Krispy Kreme.
Krispy Kreme.
Yeah, bitch, I stay clean.
We got history. Got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could have happened or what could have been. Finally, your face, I know ain't that a sight to see. Take my time to take your clothes off one more time, maybe. Acting like you don't recall it ain't impressing me. Didn't come to see your friends, I know you came from me. Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history.